Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way of cutting an image out from a background in Photoshop. So here I have a heart-shaped rock sitting on some rail sleepers. We want to cut out the rock from the background. What you want to do is go to Select and go to Select and Mask. So your image will open up in this secondary tool, and you want to first adjust transparency. I would say set it to something like 10 or 20% is usually a good value. Then go ahead and make sure you select the first brush here. And as long as this brush is selected, you will see this Select Subject button. So go ahead and click on that, and Photoshop's AI will basically do all the work for you. It will identify the object and it will create a selection around its edges, which is what it actually just did. So if I change the transparency, you will see the effect. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, and in our main Photoshop view we have our object cropped out. So I can create a second layer here, and let's say select the paint bucket tool just to show you that it has been actually cropped out. And so basically this is how you cut out an image from a background in Photoshop. Now, in some cases, this AI selection will not always be perfect. So let's go back to Select and Mask view, and we can use the third brush here to basically paint anywhere we want to make an adjustment to our original AI selected object. So you can use the Alt key to erase, or you can simply paint whatever selection you want in addition to what's already been selected by the AI. You can also use the lasso tool to make pixel perfect adjustments. Again, just hold the Alt key to make holes in your object, and you will be able to achieve something like this here. Basically, you want to use all of these different tools in combination to cut out an image from background in Photoshop.